Hey there, are you somebody who really just wants to sync your meetings to your Google Drive, but unfortunately you've never been able to do so? Well, lucky for you, I have the solution right here. I know personally, I'm somebody who constantly struggles with taking notes during meetings, and what has helped me out so much is the use of Tactiq. Tactiq is a product that is absolutely changing the way that we work on a daily basis when we go into meetings and are so focused on the conversations and on the substance of that meeting rather than taking notes on what's going on. It's a really simple and effective product. Simply go to the Chrome store and the extension. There's a link to it on our website, and you can install it on any Chromium-based browser. It's a really great and easy product to use because you can install it on pretty much any browser. And from there, it's so simple. All it's doing is it's taking what I'm saying, hello, inside of this meeting right here and transcribing every word that's coming out of my mouth. And then after that is done, what it does is it takes all of this and puts it inside of my account. As you can see, here are my various meetings from today, a bunch of different conversations with the team. If I click on this AI meeting summary, I can get a detailed summary of what we talked about. Team's been very sick, so I just wanted to make sure that they're doing well. I talked about all the videos I recorded and different work updates. And I can get a shorter summary and or generate action items right here. As you can see, all of these are action items from the meeting. I can copy these, send them other places, and even ask specific questions like, how many videos did Dimitri record? And then press ask. And what it'll do is it'll look through the transcript of the entire meeting and give me an answer. Dimitri recorded 30 videos in 3 days. Yikes, that's a lot. I think we can all appreciate that. Now, on top of this, there's actually a really cool functionality here where we can pick out any of these meeting kits that are either created by us or put in there by the Tactiq team. Now, we also have an amazing feature that does what you've been waiting for, and that's syncing meetings to our Google Drive. So as you can see here, there are a bunch of different templates. By clicking on new template, you can see all of them right here. And what they do is essentially give you a step-by-step workflow for your meeting notes. So basically it takes prompts and then follows the prompt sequence in order to follow the steps that you preordainedly wanted. So what I'm gonna do here is click on the one-on-one meeting notes. And what you'll see if I hit duplicate is that it'll add a copy of it at the beginning. So I'm gonna change the name to one-on-one meeting notes plus Google Drive. And here, what we have is a custom prompt that was written that says, this is a one-on-one meeting. The first 10 minutes are for the direct report. The next 10 minutes are for the manager. And the last 10 minutes are for future planning. Summarize this meeting and output in JSON structured like this. Then there's a yes or no, mattering on if there's concerns or not. And then all of this information gets added to a specific space that I'd want. Now I can replace this with not adding it to a space, but instead adding it to an integration, and the integration being Google Drive. So I'm gonna press allow access here. I'm just gonna add it to my account, all right? And what it's gonna ask is, where do we wanna put it? Okay, we got my drive, we got meeting tile, and then meeting notes. So I'm gonna take the meeting notes that come from the text that's put right here. So all I need to do in order to make this happen is press save, and I can do a test run here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you inside of that one-on-one that I had today with my team member, Mohammed. Let's press run workflow and do one-on-one meeting notes, parentheses Google Drive, and let's run the workflow. As you can see, it's going through the steps right here. And in the activity section on the top here, it's showing this as well. As you can see, it's showing it go through everything, step by step, layer by layer, and then boom, it finished. You got that little green dot. So as you can see, this is the recap. So the direct reports part, the manager's part, the future planning, and concerns to address. Perfect. Now, it did add it to Google Drive, so let's go check that out. And you can see right here in this Mohammed and Dimitri sync, look at that. It's added to our Google Drive in this right here. Perfect. Now, if you did want to make a change here, what you could do is you can adjust what folder it's in. It doesn't have to specifically be in just like general My Drive, so you can always pick that with this integrated option here, but that's totally up to you. So if you want to sync up your Google Drive and meeting notes, please make sure to try this out. I really recommend you do. It's a great place to get started for building out a very nice and simple note-taking workflow with Tactiq. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. Try out Tactiq on the Chrome web store, and we'll see you in the next one.